What's good, everybody? It's your boy Super Chi here with another YouTube mixing vocals tutorial, and today I'm going to show y'all how to mix hyperpop vocals like Osquinn and Parker. So I'm just going to show you the song I made today, how I mixed my vocals to sound like her, and then I'll show you how I did it. So
that's a new day, that's a new life, new light, new shine in my same eyes. I can finally light it up, yes, game time. Yeah, yeah. I don't really wanna go back to my old life. Find myself a new day, that's a new life, new light, new shine in my same eyes. I can.
So that's the song right now, guys. I'm gonna show you how I edited it. So let's get straight to it, right? So let's listen to these raw vocals, because that's how we do it every time, you know, get those raw vocals going.
I don't really want to go back to my
old life. Them raw vocals, boy.
That's a new life, new light, new shine.
Yeah, alright, so let's go straight into it. So we got that Autotune on there. We got soprano, retune speed all the way up, pitch all the way up, throat length a little bit down, because I want the sound a little bit higher pitched for this. So let's listen to it with the Autotune on.
I don't really want to go back to my old life.
Right? So you hear it's the Autotune. We got our EQ on here, so 1, 2, and 3 the same. We just got a high pass on this, so do the high pass. Then I got a 4 drop at 632, 5 the same, 6 high boost at 2936, and a 7 boost at 6224. It's gonna be it's a lot of editing in this video, so I'm gonna try and go through it quick for y'all. So play that.
I don't really want to go back to my old life.
You heard that immediately. So it just gets rid of all that low. We don't want that low. You'll see why. So then we got our compressors on here. You know, we got our fast master, and then we got our vintage master defaults. You know, let's listen to them always.
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new babe. That's a new life.
Yeah, so you hear that. Makes it out. So then we got our second EQ, 14,000 boost, simple.
I don't really want to go back to my old life.
Perfect. A little reverb, default reverb, 10%, you know, turn that on.
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new babe, that's a new wife.
Word, word, word. Then we got a Soundgoodizer on there to bring out the presence of our voice. We got it on D about there. Let's listen to it, you know. Let's get it going. There's a lot of editing.
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new.
So feel free to pause the video at any moment just to see the settings and all that. So then we got our Flanger on here. We got order 4, 50% depth, 75% speed, 6 delay, hundreds that, negative 25 that, 75, 75. Listen to that. It makes it sound a little bit nicer.
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new babe, that's a new wife.
Word, word, word. Then we got our Fruity Limiter on this beast with the max loudness, slight saturation. You already know, just so we bring that distortion out in our voice a little bit. So
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new babe, that's a new wife, new light, new shine in my same eye.
So it makes it a lot louder, you know. So then we got our full send chorus on here. We got our chorus send, and then we got our flanger send. So we got a chorus send here, flanger send here. Let's turn those on.
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new babe, that's a new wife, new light, new shine in my same eyes.
Word, word, word. I just got the vocals a little bit louder so you can hear them. So that's the main vocals, right? So now let's go into the next set of vocals. These are our high-pitched vocal background vocals to give it more of a auto-tuney vibe feel.
I don't really want to go back to my old life. Find myself a new babe, that's a new life.
So we'll go to those vocals. So we'll turn them all off, you know. Right, it's nothing special. We have it hooked up to the flanger and chorus too. So over here I got like a little bit over here. You can just try and match those. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. So for the auto-tune on this, we got a transpose of 7, soprano, retune, pitch all the way up. I removed some keys to go better with the melody of the song. I'm going to make a whole new video on how removing keys work, so stay tuned for that. It's a fun thing to play with, so will you listen now? So then we got the same everything over here. Same everything, just Fruity delay is just ping pong. So Soundgoodizer same. And then we just got the normal default chorus on here, full send. You hear that?
I don't really wanna go back to my old life. Find myself a new
So then I got the Fruity Enhancer on here, and what that does is it puts the vocals in both your earphones, so you'll hear that.
I don't really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new day, that's a new life. New light, new shine in my same.
Brings it to the sides, you know. So to do that, you just click right and then put it over to left, post, pre, whatever you like, sounds better. Same Fruity limiter, and this is what it sounds like.
I don't really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new day, that's a new life.
So let's play these two together. You hear how it sounds.
I don't really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new babe, that's a new life. New light, new shine in my same eyes. I don't really wanna go back.
So you hear that, you hear that. So that's the first two vocals, and this is the third vocal. So that one's essentially just to make it, give it more thickness. So that's this one. So over here, we just got transpose all the way down, form it off, bass instrument, retune speed all the way up, pitch all the way up, you know. Same of these, same Goodizer, Fruity, and then we got a fast distortion on this. So you can just play with them, whichever one you want. I don't even know which one I use, but you just play with them and see which one you like. You know, it just gives it distortion, so. Turn all these on.
Got myself a new babe, that's a new life. New light, new shine in my same eyes. I don't really wanna go back.
Word. It's starting to sound good, right? It's starting to come together. So then right here, all we did was we cloned this vocal for this fourth one. Then we dragged it, matched it up, and we turned the pitch up to plus 45. And that's to give it more of a humany sound. So listen to it real quick.
I don't really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new babe, that's a new life. New light.
Word, easy. So now to get it to sound ready, you gotta export this. So export settings, you know, I already did it. So full song, cover remainder, 24, wave, 512, all this, everything I got checked off, check off. And then you'll get this. So this is where we at right now. So
I really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new babe, that's a new.
So this is what's gonna sound like right here before you master it. So I'm gonna show you how to master it right now.
I really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new babe, that's a new life.
Alright, word. So now we got some Maximuses on here. So this one, you could just look at these and try and match it up. Like, it doesn't really have to be exact, but like just match it up. You see how all these are set in. Then for this one, same thing, just match it up. See how it goes. Just pause it. So I'll show you how to change.
Really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new babe, that's a new life. New light, new shine.
You see how that makes that vocal presence, you know. So we got the silky filter on here, you know, high pass, low pass, whatever that is. Just play with the settings until you figure out which one it is. A little bit low, a little bit here. Dark master, we got a little boost at 2. So we got 1 at 3461, 2 at 69. 3 at 294. You'll be able to see all these, you know. Just gonna go on them so you can see them all. Just copy them to increase the dark. And then Travis Scott, same thing. Just look at this, copy these. Just gonna go through them all. And I'll show you what it sounds like after I turn all these on. So you'll see the difference.
I really wanna go back to my old life. Got myself a new babe, that's a new life. New light, new shine in my same eyes. I can finally light it up, yes.
Word. So then that's it. Then you export that shit one more time. And then bam, you're done. And then was what we got.
Yeah, Osquinn, Parker, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Chopping up the beat just like some chopsticks. Stop it. Gucci or designer, yeah, phonic. I'm just fuck it up and cipher with my father. Back in high school.
Word, brothers, sisters, everybody out there. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope it's helpful. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. This song is on SoundCloud. It'll be on all the streaming platforms soon. So don't forget to leave a like. Come check out the song. And appreciate y'all. Have a blessed day, everybody. And y'all super chill, boys, girls, ladies, and gentlemen. Everybody out there, no matter what you are. Non-binary, everything. Nice to meet y'all. Nice to see y'all.